In today's video, I'm going to show you how to recover permanently deleted Yahoo emails. Whether you accidentally cleared out your inbox or need to retrieve an important email you thought was lost, this guide will walk you through the process step by step. Let's jump right in. First, open your web browser and log into your Yahoo Mail account. Make sure you enter your login credentials correctly to avoid any unnecessary delays. Once you're logged in, you'll see your inbox. In the top right corner, click the drop-down arrow next to your account information. From the menu that appears, select Help. This section contains useful articles and support options for common account-related issues. After clicking Help, you'll be redirected to Yahoo's customer support page. Next, locate and click the Go button to proceed. A new page will load with several support options. Look for the option labeled Recover Lost or Deleted Emails and select it. This feature allows you to request the recovery of emails that may appear to be permanently deleted. Once selected, click on Send a Restore Request. A form will open asking for details about your issue. In the form, find the drop-down menu labeled Describe the Problem and choose the option that best matches your situation. Selecting the most accurate description helps Yahoo process your request more efficiently. Next, choose the appropriate option under When did you last see the missing messages? Try to be as precise as possible, as accurate timing increases the chances of recovery. Enter your Yahoo ID carefully in the provided field so Yahoo knows exactly which account needs assistance. You'll then see a security verification box labeled I'm not a robot. Check this box to confirm your identity. Finally, click on Create Request to submit your recovery request. Yahoo will begin processing your request, and all that's left is to wait for their response. And that's it. By following these steps, you've taken the right approach to recovering permanently deleted Yahoo emails. Thanks for watching, and be sure to check out our other videos for more helpful tech tips and tricks.